Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
You begin by verifying credentials and installing FortiClient. Do that first so you can act immediately. Once installed, open the client and choose Remote Access. Enter the VPN server address and port exactly as provided, select the connection type, SSL VPN or ISEC, and save a profile name you recognize. Make sure your firewall and network allow outbound VPN ports. If you can, test from the same network type you'll use on the road so initial connectivity issues are minimized. You now authenticate and bring the tunnel up, enter your username and password, and then trigger any two-factor prompt. If your organization uses a certificate, choose it from the client before connecting so handshake succeeds. Once you hit connect, watch the status pane. Confirm the client receives an IP and that the route table or policies are pushed from the FortiGate. If routes don't appear, disconnect and reselect the profile so routing and DNS settings are applied cleanly. You finish by verifying access to internal resources. Ping key hosts and try DNS names to confirm resolution. If something fails, make sure your user is in the correct VPN group and that firewall policies allow your source IP and destination. Also check split tunnel settings, which may route traffic differently. One key troubleshooting tip. Collect FortiClient connection logs and request corresponding FortiGate logs or a packet capture from the admin.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.